Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. This is Correct Bet. Finally won this. This is the app I told you guys earlier. The app that helps you get your games, whether it's football or basketball or tennis. The only thing you need is have space on your phone, have data that you can use to download it, or you can be using to search for your games every day. Make a space for the app, then download it, sign in with your email. That's all. You'll be using it anytime you have data. The app works with data, so you must have data. Data, I mean, is your connection will be on. Your browsing connection will be on to use the app. That's all. That's all you need. So these the ones I've already gotten from today through the app prediction. So once you search anything you want, whether any option, whether it's over goals, straight winning, draws, anything you want to search concerning football or tennis or basketball, just search it with keywords that we will use on it. There's some keyword like the kind of question you ask the app, it will not give you exactly what you want. You don't need to put too much long question on it, just a short questions and some keywords to use on it. Then it will show you exactly what you are looking for. So this app is very, very good, especially on weekend like this. You can just use it to get your games done. You can get to like 5 games, 10 games, 20 games. You can even predict your games from Mondays to Sunday. That is the weekly running ticket. You can go for over 1.5 goals. You can go for over 2.5 goals. Go, which is a both team to score, or draws. This app is working perfectly. It works perfectly. The main thing that suits me is that this app doesn't work only on football. It also works on basketball and tennis. It works perfectly. Anything you need to search concerning games, this app is here for you. They have many of it on Play Store, Apple Store, but there's particular one that is doing these wonders. The only thing you need is have space on your phone and download it. Have your connections that will be used to search exactly what you want concerning football, and it will give it to you. So in case you are interested on this app, you can chat me on WhatsApp on 070-3676-0527. Alright guys, thank you for watching. See you on the next video.